Hello and namaste from Mumbai. I'm Dr. Gaurang, a homeopathic doctor based in Mumbai, and I'm going to talk to you today about one of the commonest problems that we see in today's times. And I'm going to talk to you about hand, foot, and mouth disease. This is so common. In the last few months, we have been treating many of these cases with homeopathy. Hand, foot, and mouth disease is commonest contagious viral infection that is spread from person to person, and typically more in children. The commonest symptom that you will see is a kind of a you can see a kind of a eruption on the hand and feet with a little fever, with a little sore throat, loss of appetite, and this is very common below the age of 5. And yes, definitely there is a lot of fever and all these kind of symptoms suffering for the patient. This also shows a very low immune system for the child. Now, definitely, some children recover from it soon, some children recover from it a little later. But this is the advantage that we have seen, that the children who are with homeopathic treatment, they are able to cut short this illness more sooner. They are able to come out of this suffering more sooner. The recurrency of the illness comes down, and the immune system is better, where any kind of remnant illnesses doesn't remain. This is not just in hand, foot, mouth disease. Even we have treated cases of COVID, of other viral illnesses, where how homeopathy basically works at the root cause and builds beautiful immune system for the child. This is what homeopathy can do. In homeopathy, we take a very detailed case of a child. We try to understand the different reactions, the different kind of areas of the child's life, of the family history, past history, the genetic history, and studying all of this, we find a homeopathic remedy tailor made for the child, which basically builds the immune system and gets the patient out of such kind of situation. Not just that, when the child is under homeopathic treatment, even if the child gets any minor illness, we try to treat it with homeopathy, whether it's acute fever, cold, cough, diarrhea. So in this way, the child's dependence on antibiotics and other painkillers or paracetamol and all these kind of medications can be gradually reduced, and the child can be very beautifully grown into a healthy individual without the allopathic medicine, in a very safe, comfortable, and a healthy way. This is our endeavor in treating homeopathy in children's cases, and we have been able to successfully in homeopathy treat many children across the globe with this problem. So you can either come in person to see us in the clinic, or which is here in Mumbai in Mahim, or you could actually do an online consultation, which is also available. And I remember a very beautiful case of a child who had this kind of situation with hand, foot, and mouth disease, and a lot of eruption. The main symptom was a lot of redness, and we did very well on the remedy Morgan Pure Bowel Nozo. The important thing is that homeopathy is tailor made. So what remedy we would prescribe to one child may be different to another child, would be another to third. Holistic treatment that we start, which really has helped thousands of children in the past more than 100 years with homeopathy. So take benefits of homeopathy. We are trying to create awareness of homeopathy in parents, in people in and around us. So take benefit of homeopathy, and homeopathy for healthy children is our slogan to spread homeopathy. Thank you, and keep in touch.